Welcome to JoVE. Let's take a look at how you can import a Common Cartridge file into Blackboard. Open the JoVE website. Sign in to your account. Click on your profile icon and select My Playlists. Search for your playlist of interest and click to open it. Click on the Download CC button. This will download the Common Cartridge file on your computer. Log into Blackboard. Select Courses from the navigation menu on the left. Choose a course. Choose Packages and Utilities. Click on Import Package or View Logs. Click on Import Package. Click on Browse Local Files. Select the previously downloaded file. Choose Select All under Select Course Materials. Click on Submit. Refresh the page. You should now be able to see the courses that you have selected on the navigation panel on the left. Click on the course name and select a collection to view. That's it. Thank you for watching.